Have you ever paused to consider the safety of your warehousing facility? Are you aware of the potential risks that electrical fires pose to your valuable assets and, more importantly, to human lives? Electrical fires, according to statistics, account for a staggering 80 to 90% of all fire incidents. These fires typically have their roots in two main issues: short circuits and wiring problems. Wiring issues often lead to voltage disturbances, damaging equipment and causing short circuits, which in turn spark off fires. Traditional safety devices like MCBs and fuses only react after a short circuit, offering no protection against the damage caused by voltage disturbances. This is where Power Kavach steps in, offering a revolutionary solution. Power Kavach is designed to prevent equipment damage, thereby averting short circuits and subsequent fire incidents. It's the only product on the market that can withstand a voltage of 440 volts for more than 24 hours, offering a robust 20 kA spike protection that significantly improves the life of the connected equipment. But what sets Power Kavach apart from its competitors such as Servo Stabilizers? Firstly, Power Kavach offers neutral open protection. Unlike a stabilizer that is not designed to withstand this voltage and may get damaged, Power Kavach can endure a voltage of 440 volts for over 24 hours. Secondly, Power Kavach's response time to high voltage is unmatched. It cuts off the supply in a fraction of a second, while a stabilizer might take 6 to 7 seconds to respond. Remember, most equipment get damaged within 2 to 3 seconds of a voltage surge. Thirdly, Power Kavach is designed for efficiency. It boasts a significantly lower power consumption compared to a stabilizer, which has transformer losses of 5 to 10%. Lastly, most equipment today have SMPS power supplies that act like stabilizers, rendering an additional stabilizer unnecessary. So why choose anything else when you can opt for Power Kavach, the best electrical fire protection device for your warehousing facility? Remember, the safety of your facility, your assets, and the people working there is paramount. Don't compromise on safety. Choose Power Kavach for your warehousing facility today and rest easy knowing that you've made the right choice.